Sorry about that cut in the video, guys. One, I ran out of space, and two, I ran out of battery. So I just finished emptying my camera and recharging it. So what I was saying towards the end of the video is that now that I've separated everything, I'm going to do like a little sheet there at the end, or add the values of this stuff in the description, so you guys know, I guess, what the scrap value is for that, at least the value as is, without removing any chips or anything.